Today in this video I show you how to put your location on Earth wallpaper on iPhone. For this you have to open settings. Now scroll down to find privacy and security. Open privacy and security. Now you have to open location services. Now you have to turn on location services toggle and click on astronomy. Now select while using the app. You also have to turn on precise location toggle and go back to settings. Now find wallpaper, open wallpaper, click on add new wallpaper. Now slide this, open astronomy. Now my location are showing like this, and if I want, I can change the style of wallpaper. Now my location will show like this on Earth wallpaper. Now all you have to do is click on add and then click on set as wallpaper pair. So this is how you can put your location on Earth wallpaper on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.